Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to use UPBASE for publishing and editorial workflow. This is your full 2025 guide, so let's get started. The first thing you need to do is log into your UPBASE account. Now that you're in, you'll see a dashboard with all your projects and assignments. This is your command center, the place where you'll manage all your publishing and editorial tasks. It's critical to familiarize yourself with this layout as it will play a central role in your workflow. Next up, let's create a new project. Click on the New Project button, enter a title and a brief description, and hit Create. The reason we do this is to establish a dedicated space for each piece of content you're working on. Each project corresponds to a specific piece of content, which helps us stay organized and focused. Now it's time to assign tasks. Click on your project, then select New Task. Type in what needs to be done and assign it to a team member. This helps us because it clearly defines who's responsible for what, making sure nothing falls through the cracks. After the tasks are assigned, let me explain why monitoring progress matters. You do this by clicking on the Progress tab. Here, you can see which tasks are completed, which are in progress, and which are yet to be started. Keeping an eye on progress ensures that your project stays on track and that deadlines are met. Finally, once all tasks are completed, it's time to hit Publish. Click on the Publish button and your content will be live for all to see. This is the final step of your workflow. It's where all your hard work pays off and your content finally reaches your audience. So, that's a quick walkthrough of using UPBASE for publishing and editorial workflow. Remember, the key is to stay organized, keep track of your tasks, and regularly check your progress. Following these steps will ensure a smooth, efficient workflow that will make your publishing and editorial process a breeze. And that's a wrap for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching, and happy publishing.